Hello friends, most welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Apache Tomcat server in Windows and how to configure it in Eclipse. Here you will get all the solutions of your problems which you are facing while adding Apache server in Eclipse, so that you will be able to create your Java web applications in Eclipse by using Apache Tomcat server. So please watch the full video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's downloading the Apache server. So go to the browser, type download Apache Tomcat, click over the first link. It is Tomcat 8. We will download the latest version of Tomcat, that is Tomcat 9. So click on Tomcat 9, scroll down. Here under the core heading, select the last one, click on it. It started downloading. We will wait for some time. Downloading completed. Click on the arrow, open it. Click on next button. Click on I agree button to continue. Then select all. Click on next button. Here we have to change the port number, because if you are using more than one server with same port number, then it is necessary to change the second server's port number to avoid the conflict. So I am making it 8 instead of 0. It is 8088. Then click on next button. Here you can see the version of Java JDK. It is lying on C drive, and click on next button. And destination folder, it is also lying in C drive. Then click on install button. It has been installed, and deselect these options. Then click on finish button. Now open the Eclipse IDE. Inside the window menu, select preferences, then search for server. The server is here. Now the thing is, if you are not installed Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, then you will not see this server option here. If you are facing that problem, what to do? Close this window and go to help, then install new software, then select all available sites, then expand this web XML option, then scroll down. Select JST server adapters and JST server adapters extension. Then click on next button. Then next button. Then I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then finish. You can see at the bottom it is installing. Don't close the tab until the installation is completed. Installation is completed. Now it is asking for restart. Now click on restart now button. Now go to the window menu and select preferences. Now you can see the server option here. Expand it and click on runtime environments. And now we will add the server here. Click on add button. Now we will select Apache Tomcat 9 version which we have installed. Click on finish button. Apply and close. It is not showing the server option here. So go to window, show view, then search for server. It is not here. Click on other. Server is here. Expand it. Click on servers and open it. Now you can see servers here. And the link is no servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. Double click on it. Select Tomcat server. Then click finish button. You can see Tomcat 9.0 server at localhost, but it is stopped. Right click on it and start the server. And to start the server, click on start button. Now you can see the error. The server cannot be started because one or more of the ports are invalid. Open the server editor and correct the invalid ports. Click on OK button. Then what to do? Double click on it. Here in this overview window, you can see the gray scroll bar here and scroll it towards right and you can see the port number. While installing Tomcat server, we only changed the HTTP port number. We didn't change the admin port number. So here there is no port number for admin port. So we will give a port number. Let it be 8485. Close this window and don't forget to save the changes. Then again right click on the server and start it. You can see the server started and synchronized. Now we will check it on a browser. So go to the browser and type localhost 8088. It is the default home page, Apache Tomcat 9.0. So the server configured successfully. Now you can create your Java web project. In my next video, I will show you how to create first Java web project or Java dynamic web project in Eclipse. So friends, thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like my video and share it. Thank you so much and keep watching.